how to use a multimeter. The selector switch has four main selections: voltage, amperes, resistance, and continuity. The voltage setting allows you to measure the voltage of an electrical device, such as this 1.5 volt battery. If you press the select button on this particular model of digital multimeter, you can then measure AC voltage. It's like what you would find in your electrical outlet. The current setting allows you to measure the current drawn by an electrical device. The resistance setting allows you to measure the resistance of something like a resistor or anything electrical. The continuity selection lets you test for continuity. As you can see, when I touch the two leads together, it will beep. This is useful for finding if, say, you have a short somewhere, or you're trying to test if a wire might be broken or something.